So, Mosso.ai is basically an AI platform designed to help businesses automate tasks and improve their workflows using artificial intelligence. The idea sounds great, but there are a few things I'd look at before jumping in. The biggest advantage is convenience. If Mosso.ai can automate repetitive work and reduce the amount of manual effort, it could potentially save businesses a lot of time. But here's the catch. AI tools can look impressive in demos while being less useful in real-world situations. The actual results can depend heavily on what you're trying to automate, how much setup is required, and how accurately the AI handles your specific tasks. I'd also look closely at pricing, integrations, data privacy, and whether the features you actually need are included in the plan you're paying for. A cheap-looking AI tool can become expensive if you need upgrades or additional services. So, is Mosso.ai worth using? It could be useful for the right business, but I wouldn't sign up based purely on the marketing. Try to understand exactly what it can automate and whether it genuinely saves you time. Overall, Mosso.ai looks interesting, but I'd test it carefully before making it part of an important workflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.